and welcome to Crafting with Ellis. In today's video I'm going to be making pom-poms from an autumn inspired pom-pom wreath. I'm using lots of autumny coloured wool, this 20.3cm polystyrene ring and a hot glue gun. I'm also going to be using these plastic pom-pom makers, which makes making pom-poms so much easier. Okay, so to make pom-poms you need some wool, these plastic pom-pom makers, just open those up. Okay, so these raised sections need to correspond with the holes, like so. You need to get your wool. Fiddly, there we go. Just hold that in place and then just wrap your wool around this section. Okay, now that we've covered both sides, let's get it tidy. We're going to put them together, push the clips in, and now cut all the way around. There we go. Take a length of wool. I'm going to put this through here. Make a knot. There we go. Open it up. And we have a pom-pom! Okay, we just gotta trim it so it looks more pom-pommy. There we go, looking better. There we go. Cute little pom-pom. Okay, now that we made our pom-pom, we need to make loads more in lots of different colours. I've made all of these. I spent most of last night making all these pom-poms. And we're going to put all these pom-poms and glue them onto this polystyrene ring. Okay, now that our glue gun is warming up, be very careful, it does get very hot. We're going to start gluing some pom-poms. Woohoo! Take the brown one first. Put a dollop. There we go. Just stick it down. Okay, now that we've finished gluing all our pom-poms to our wreath, I found some pretty ribbon in my ribbon box. So a little bow. I'm going to glue this. I'm going to glue this here. Like that. Going to finish off. Okay, so hot glue gun again. Very careful. And I've just cut the ends here like a V shape. Look all posh. There we go. There we have cute little autumn pom-pom wreath. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and wherever you are, happy crafting.